Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix a file cannot open the page because the address is invalid. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Solution 1. Clear history and website data. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. Here scroll down and find Safari and tap on it. Here scroll all the way down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Here tap on Clear History at the bottom of the page to confirm your action. This will delete all of your browser history in Safari browser. Solution 2. Check date and time. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, tap on General. Here scroll down and tap on date and time. Make sure set automatically is enabled or manually correct the date, time and time zone. Solution 3. Reset all settings. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select Reset. Then tap on Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Then tap on Reset all settings to confirm that you want to reset your all settings. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs it.